In today's video, I'm introducing the new machine Mast Pro Super Hertz. I'll also show you how to correctly set up the machine and explain what the Hertz setting is all about. I've already tested the prototype of this machine for weeks and was able to share my feedback with the manufacturers before its release. If you order this machine, you can even save 10% using the code FANITATTOO. In the white box is the machine and a battery, and additionally, I have a spare battery and a charging station in the blue box. The battery can simply be plugged in here and charges fully within 1 hour. You can also easily charge the machine using a USB cable. Let's take a look at what's inside the box of the tattoo machine. Just like with traditional machines, you can adjust the needle at the front with a twist. If you unscrew this part, you'll find the battery. This can be easily pulled off. With these two arrows, you can see whether the battery is properly placed. An instruction manual is also included. On the first page, you'll find a frequency guide with recommended settings from the manufacturer for the machine. I think that's cool. I haven't seen that with any other machine so far. Now let's talk about the different button combinations. If I press the two outer buttons at the same time, I can change the light of the machine. This doesn't change anything mechanical, but it's a cool feature. I screw the cartridge in like this, and you can already feel when inserting it that it holds well, and there's no wobble. So if I hold the red button in the middle, the machine starts in standby mode. If I then press it briefly again, the machine starts. To turn it off, do the same. On the display, you now see various indicators. Top right is the current battery level. Top left is the time the machine has been running. In the center, we see the voltage display. And the cool thing about this mode is that you can save a preset for both the lining and shading modes. Say you work with 8 volts for lining and 5 volts for shading. You can switch between these modes in standby mode. Use the left and right buttons to increase or decrease the voltage level. The frequency of this machine can be set via voltage or hertz. Just to clarify again, you can only work in either volt mode or hertz mode, not both at the same time. When the machine is in standby mode, I can double-click the red button to switch to the other mode. My viewers know that I usually work mainly with 8 volts, but with this machine, I prefer to use hertz instead of volts. 90 hertz corresponds approximately to 8 volts. If you're wondering why I don't continue working with the voltage setting on this machine, the key difference between volts and hertz is, in volt mode, the machine always runs at the same speed, even if you're tattooing thicker skin. That means it doesn't matter whether there's resistance or not. The machine maintains its speed, even if you go too deep. It keeps going at full power. And that's where the difference lies. When I work with Hertz, the machine is spring-loaded, so to speak. As soon as it detects resistance, it adapts to the surface. Down here, I can choose between 3 different modes: soft, medium, and hard. The motor is weaker on soft than on hard and less aggressive. That's why you can shade with it even though it has a 4.2 millimeter stroke. That's why I always use the Hertz mode. The soft mode is perfect for soft shading without the needle hitting the skin too hard. In medium mode, the machine is already a bit firmer. This mode is perfect for packing, combined with 90 Hertz. This way the machine has enough power to fill in solid areas nicely. I use hard mode for lining, also with 90 Hertz. But watch out, for fine lines you can reduce the Hertz value a bit so the machine doesn't have too much power. If you want, you can also refer to the included guide. For example, it recommends 50 to 70 Hertz for a 3-round liner. Here you see, once again, listed which settings I use for what: shading, packing, and lining. I think the machine is definitely a really good product that I can honestly recommend. I normally work with a machine with an adjustable stroke, but the cool thing about this machine is that it's significantly lighter than those. You'll find links to the machine and the needles I'm currently using in the video description, and with the code FANITATTOO, you save 10%.